Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see, we are going to be starting this new one that I got from Outdoor Tide this morning, and it is called Christmas Day. And I'm going to be starting right over here in this tree, and the color is number 500 DMC. So yeah, and this is 11 count, so let's just do this, right? Oh my goodness, man, I am so glad it is Wednesday. Yeah, it's been a week. It's been a week. Yesterday was a little bit more busy than it was on Monday, but not too terribly much. So I think things will start to pick up this weekend, but I won't be there, but yeah. Oh my goodness. Other than that, it was pretty darn quiet yesterday. I went to the grocery store. I'm trying to figure out what color is what before I went to work, because I had to go pick up all the stuff to make Christmas cookies. This is a poor choice of color here. You got this, I don't know, this green, and then you have this aqua, and then you have a pale blue. Yeah. It's a little difficult to maneuver here, but we're gonna just wing it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I decided I'm going to make oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. And, oh yay, we got past that part. Woohoo. Oatmeal chocolate chip cookies, and I'm gonna make those cookie press cookies. So yeah, and I got the chocolate to dip the ends in on the cookie press cookies. I'll just call them butter cookies. I guess that's what they are. Yeah. So I'm going to make a double batch of both of those. And of course I'll have to make the Jell-O, but that won't happen until next Tuesday night. So, and I have no idea how late I have to work on Tuesday night. So, we will see. Probably 8 o'clock, I'm thinking. It's been a hot moment. So, since I worked, you know, on that kind of a holiday. So, we'll see. And I think New Year's Eve we are just open regular hours. So I don't think that'll be a problem. New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. So we'll be open, but not Christmas. Close Christmas and Thanksgiving. Just 'cause, you know, it is what it is. So that means I get a 5-day weekend on next week. But we'll see. Okay, I'm going to try to hang on to this. At least you can see the symbol a little bit better down here, so that's good. I never even thought about it when I went at it. I was looking down in here, and I didn't look at the top, but there was just a few you had to maneuver. And what are we doing here? You got the wrong hole, crazy girl. There we go. So yeah, that'll be fun. I think I'll do one kind of cookie one day and one the next. Or maybe Sunday. One on Friday and one on Sunday. Not real sure. But either way, they'll be perfectly fine for Christmas. So I'm looking forward to doing that. That'll be fun. And I don't know of anything else going on. I don't think we're going to get to have our Christmas tea because my granddaughter's sick. So we'll see how sick, not sick she is. Or, you know, my daughter just wants to blow it off until next weekend. You know, when everybody's almost well, you know. So, fun times. But other than that, not much going on. We will have, what do you call it? December Saturday stitching. I couldn't think what I wanted to say. It really feels weird because I've been working on a 14 count for a while. And now I'm working on 11 count. It's amazing how fast you go through that thread. And before I forget, I got 2 pictures from 2 different viewers. Thank you for sending me your pictures in the email. So if you have any pictures you'd like to share with everybody, just send it to my email address, which is in the description box below. And I will get it up in the first stitch with me that I can. I don't know if we're going to make one more. But thank you, ladies. They are both gorgeous. I love that wolf and that picture of that landscape. It's just like, be still my heart. That is on 18 count. I think she said 18 count fabric and 2 threads. I can't stitch on 18 count. It was either 18 or 16 count. Just absolutely stunning picture. Good job, both of you. And that wolf. Oh, yeah, makes me want to go out and start collecting wolves. Oh, here we go. Yeah, maybe next year. It'll be the end of the year of the dragon, so I'll probably have to have him on New Year's Eve just to say goodbye to the dragon for another, what is it? Whoops, we only need 1, please. What is it, 10, 12 years? I guess it's 12 years. So, yeah. I've enjoyed collecting dragons, but I like them to begin with, so here we are. Okay, what is going on, kids? What is the issue? Okay, something's wrong with that one, so we're just going to set that one aside and grab another one. The thread isn't even... I pulled one of the threads too far. We'll get there, guys. We'll get there. Everything's fine. And I think, like around this tree, like these few right in here, they're all half cross stitches. So maybe I should have done the half cross stitch today. I don't know. I don't know. It is what it is. Nice threads, though. This looks like it's pretty easy to stitch. You know, because the back stitching, to cross stitch, it's going to be fairly simple. It's the back stitching that's going to add all the details, so that'll be awesome. So I thought we'd start with a Christmas tree undecorated. Is it undecorated? Yep. There's one in the yard, but that's like in the middle part. I didn't want to go there, so yep. Just a beautiful spruce fir tree. I don't know my evergreens. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and I live in a place where that's pretty much what we got. We got pine trees, spruce trees, evergreens. Oops. Now that won't happen. I missed a half cross stitch here. I was talking about half cross stitch and just spaced one off. I do that sometimes when I start a thread. I don't sometimes get right back to where I ended the thread to start stitching again. Yeah. Because usually it's 14 count, and I'm sure there's a bunch in most of my 14 counts that are only, what do you call it, crossed once. Yeah, it's awesome. This is nice fabric. It seems to not be horribly stiff. It's a little stiff, but I crunched it just briefly, and it seems to be just fine. It's real soft. Thick, but soft. But not limpy soft. I don't like limp fabric. Then it makes me feel like I need to put a, what do you call it, a hoop on it. Yeah. Sometimes that just doesn't work well. Now, I've gotten away with not using a hoop on Riverside Building Night Moon. It's very lovely to stitch on, and it's another spring kit. But I think this will be a gorgeous picture if you got all the patience to do all the back stitching. Seriously. So, just one little bit at a time. I'd love to start that Victorian house. It's gorgeous. So we'll see how that all comes out in the wash. Keep following the edge over here. I'm not sure why, but it's working, so we're just going to keep stitching. So one side might just get done at this. Who knows? Stitching reminds me of stippling. Stippling stitching. Wow, I can't say that. In quilting, you know, you just kind of go here, meander here and there and everywhere. It's not like this section is like solid like this. It'd be a little bit easier to stitch, but it's not bad. And it's 11 count, so it fills up really fast. Oh, goodness, I have no idea what I'm going to work on this weekend, other than the cookies. So if I can get through the cookies, we'll just do part of them and sit down and relax and do a little bit of stitching in between, and it'll be a perfect weekend. Come on. There we go. Wasn't stuck as bad as I thought it was. I don't think I'm going to make it all the way back up there, though. It'll be fine. Got to figure out what's wrong with that other strand. What color is the sky? Oh, it's kind of a rosy color. So that tree really will show up once you get that half cross stitch in. That'll be fine. Come on. Don't get stuck now. All right, guys. There's a little bit more that kind of meanders down there and then into this other tree. I'm going to turn it around. I don't know if you can even see that green. Might have to do that blue dot one there first. Oop, needle. And then the rest of it will stand out. So, very nice. It'll be beautiful. All right, guys. Thank you for sending your pictures, ladies, and thank you guys for watching today. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.